how to write it. So it is written somewhat around a teardrop, okay, around a teardrop, and it rests on the line. Let me draw it. So if it is unconnected separate form, it is written like this, okay, that's when it's separate. If it is in the beginning, it looks like this. You have to draw it like this. That's how you draw it in the beginning. And in the middle, it looks like this, okay, the middle, and at the end looks like this. Sometimes you see differently as well. Sometimes in the middle it is written like this, okay. You will see in the Quran sometimes it is written like this as well, okay. So we can connect it, this one here, this one here, okay. Draw it here again, okay, different forms, okay. So you can write it like, we draw it like here, so it's like this, or we can write it like this. Two ways of writing, okay, in the middle. Three ways of writing in the middle.